Welcome. Since the dawn of the industrial age, the traditional job has been the defining structure for organizing every aspect of work. But in today's rapidly changing, boundaryless world, this rigid construct is failing to build agility and drive innovation. Leading companies are shifting to a radically new operating model. A skills-based organization operates on four fundamental principles. First, it liberates work from the confines of the job. Work is fractionalized into fluid projects, tasks, or broad problems to be solved, rather than static job descriptions. Second, it reconceives workers as a workforce of one. Instead of seeing employees as standardized job holders, organizations view them as unique individuals with a dynamic portfolio of skills, passions, and potential. Third, skills become the foundation for workforce decisions. Everything from hiring to performance management to compensation is based on the skills a person possesses and develops, not their job title. And fourth, the model is powered by a centralized skills hub. The skills hub acts as the operational engine of the organization. It requires a shared talent philosophy, cross-functional governance, a common language or taxonomy for skills, and strong data and technology enablers. This is where artificial intelligence becomes critical. Because high-stakes decisions are made based on skills, data must be verified and valid. Instead of relying on subjective self-reporting, organizations use AI to passively analyze workers' daily behaviors in the flow of work, inferring their actual skills and creating dynamic work charts. Furthermore, artificial intelligence also predicts overall success. For example, IBM built an AI tool that suggests optimal sales teams and predicts their win probability based purely on the skill composition of the group. Furthermore, AI allows companies to expand their talent pools by analyzing adjacent skills, the foundational experiences a candidate has that can be quickly built upon through targeted training. But you cannot build a skills-based organization with a traditional HR department. This brings us to the rise of boundaryless HR. To meet these new demands, HR must shift from a siloed, specialized function to a cross-functional discipline woven throughout the business's fabric. In boundaryless HR, the people discipline is no longer owned solely by HR. As HR partners closely with IT, finance, and operations, departmental boundaries dissolve. Furthermore, AI and real-time data empower managers to become true people leaders, eliminating the boundary between HR and managers. Finally, workers themselves transform from passive consumers of HR practices into active co-creators of their own work experiences. By placing skills at the center, leveraging AI in the Skills Hub, and adopting a boundaryless HR mindset, organizations can move beyond simply managing employment to truly orchestrating work. The result is a more equitable, agile environment that unlocks true human performance. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.